I feel angry and insulted when I see Australians charge $12 an iceberg lettuce. People in my neighborhood had to switch to canned and frozen vegetables because the fresh ones are just too expensive. What they didn't know is that in my backyard, I have more spinach than I can ever eat. 400 tomatoes, 100 cucumbers, blackberries, pumpkins, dragon fruits, peas, and beans to come later this year. Today I'll break down my methods so you can do the same and never worry about vegetable prices again. Welcome to my channel, I Refuse to Pay. I will show you powerful ways to take control of your money and lifestyle. I will challenge you to think independently and act differently so that we don't become a number in someone else's algorithm. To start this low-cost, low-effort way of growing vegetables, the best place to start in your home is a sunny spot with native soil. Keep it simple and don't spend on garden beds or potting mix yet. If you live in an apartment, start with plastic containers as your planters and look for free soil advertisements in your local classifieds. It's very common for people building new houses to want to get rid of excess soil. Remember, sun and soil. You don't really need anything else to start growing. The next step is to buy seeds. Now, I don't collect free seeds from store-bought tomatoes or pumpkins. This is because self-collected seeds have an unpredictable germination rate. This is not what I want. I'm looking for certain results. So I would go to a garden center and look for the cheapest pack of vegetables for $1 or $2 each pack. These seeds are cheap for a reason. They are common varieties which are very easy to grow. Garden stores can sell many packs, which keeps their price low. That's exactly the type of vegetables that we want. Leaf lettuce, perennial spinach, cherry tomato, beans, peas, kale, cucumber, they are all good candidates. They're nutritious, fast-growing, and low maintenance. Here's a tip. Don't be lured in to buy pretty and exotic vegetable seeds like those dark purple tomatoes, finger lime. They are usually exotic for a reason. They don't adapt to the local climate very well. I'll leave them to those professional gardeners or those people doing it for fun. I don't care if I'm upsetting any organic gardeners here. I want you to buy synthetic fertilizers, not organic. Do a little online research and you'll find that the benefit of organic fertilizer is not scientifically conclusive. However, synthetic fertilizer is a proven success with large commercial farms all around the world. To lock in our harvest, I recommend only 2 synthetic fertilizers. Number 1 is urea. It contains pure nitrogen and is good for all green vegetables we harvest leaves from, like lettuce and spinach. Number 2, an all-purpose fertilizer with balanced nutrition, like Miracle-Gro. These are for fruit vegetables like tomatoes and cucumbers. I use these 2 synthetic fertilizers based on science and proof, not on fads and craze. Before I forget, let me remind you to click like and subscribe now because I have many more powerful ideas to share with you in my channel so that you can control your money and lifestyle. My final tip is to find and follow the plant timing chart in your local area. We rely on nature to provide the best condition for our vegetables to thrive so that they can grow fast, big, and more resistant to pests and diseases. Please leave me a comment if you like a copy of my vegetable plant timing chart in my area. I'm happy to send you a link. Once your seeds germinate, water every day and fertilize once a week. In less than 20 minutes a day, you'll have more vegetables than you can eat. For starters, 2 packs of seeds, topsoil, 2 bags of fertilizers would cost you less than $50. So what are you waiting for? Cook at home, use fresh ingredients, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Things made of plastic don't last forever. How would you like to learn the secret to properly repair anything plastic? Please click on the link before this video ends.